Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel that is all in one corner. So friends, there is a great news from the Accenture that Accenture start hiring for the 22 batch for the associate software engineer role. So here is the job description. So we will discuss about the job descriptions, which students, which batch is eligible for this post, or how may they apply for this post. So we will discuss all the things in this video. So if you are new to the channel and have not subscribed it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's get started. So since 2 to 3 months we have waited for the Accenture hiring for the 22 batch freshers or graduates from 2019, 20, 21, 22. So this is a great news for the associate software engineer role. So here is the job description. You can see that role overview. So here is the role overview. I will give a link for the application here so you can read this description. Okay, so you can read that. We will directly see how to apply for this post. Okay, so you can see that this is the registration for this form for this role. So here is the source details. You can select how did you find out about this job. So maybe you find out the job from job board or Accenture employee referral or social media advertisement or campus. It may be on campus or off campus. So you have to select or social media advertisement, and then after you have to select Twitter, LinkedIn or Facebook or others. It depends upon you. Okay, then you have to type here your personal details like first name, your middle name, then last name. So first name is please enter your name as mentioned in your PAN card. So please give your name as mentioned in your PAN card. Please middle name also, if you don't have middle name, please keep the middle name section blank. Okay, on the PAN card if you don't have your middle name, so please keep this space blank. And then last name. So in case you do not have last name, kindly mention your father or mother's name as specified in PAN card. Tool will not consider single alphabet as last name. Okay, as last name is a mandatory to fill. So if in case you don't have any last name, please mention your father or mother's name as in your PAN card, because there is a star, because last name is a mandatory. So you have to type anything that means your father's name or your mother's name as specified in PAN card. Okay, then after that you have to type your university registration number, then your email ID. So enter your personal email ID which will be used for all the future communication. Then your primary contact number, enter your personal contact number which will be used for your further communication. Then WhatsApp consent. So if you want WhatsApp notification, then you can select yes I consent, and if you don't want, then select no I do not consent. Okay, then alternate mobile number, you depends upon you. If you want to give your alternate mobile number, you can give. Then after that, date of birth, you have to give your date of birth. Then please enter your date of birth as mentioned in your PAN card. Okay, then after there is a gender, so you have to select male or female. Then residing state, city. So please select the city where you are currently residing. If you do not find a city in the drop down, please choose the nearest city. Okay, so this is of the personal details you have to fill. Then after that, after personal details, there is educational details tab. So you have to fill the educational details. So highest education profile. So if you, this is for education type. If you are engineering graduate, so you have to click on undergraduate. So education type, so degree. So you can see that the eligibility is BCA, BCom, BE, BSc, BTech, B vocational, BBA, BMS, Bachelor of Arts. Means the eligible students are those students have BCA, BCom, BE, BSc, BTech, B vocational, BBA, BMS, Bachelor of Arts can apply for this role. And if you are postgraduate, so you can select your stream, that is MSc or MA, MCA, MCM, MCom, ME, MFA, MSc or MTech. So these all are the eligible for this post. Okay, I'll be mentioned in description. While select education type, after that you have to choose your degree, after that you have to choose your college name, and in case if your college name is not available in the drop down section, you can select or you have to click on help to raise a query. Okay, and after that there is a branch, you have to select your branch. Here are the branches are listed, so you have to choose your branch. And there after that there is year of passing. So as I mentioned that uh, this drive is only for the 19 to 22 batch. That means those students are pass out in 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 are eligible for this post, and you have to click on percentage or CGPA. Okay, and after that you have, if you are postgraduate, then you have to click on also you have to add your undergraduate section also. So there is only for postgraduate students. Okay, and after that there is a professional details. So total professional experience do not include internship. So if you have any professional experience, you can select here. After that skills details, so you have to choose your skill details, that is primary skill or secondary skill. You can skip this section in case you have do not any find relevant skill listed in this section. Okay, you can skip this. After that certification details, so you have to mention here certification details. If you have any, if you have do not any find relevant certification, then skip this section also. Then after that language certification, so have you done any course in foreign language? So if you have done any course in these languages, you can mention here, that is French, German, Japanese, Mandarin, Spanish, or not applicable. Simply if you do not have any certification, language certification, then click on not applicable. Then after that there is a preferred job location. So here are 3 preferred job location you have to choose. Then you can choose here. Okay, so after that preferred job location, there is other details. So is there any gaps in education? So if there is any gap in education, you can select here. If there is no gap, you can select no gap. Then standing backlog, you have any standing backlog, then select yes. If no, then select no. Then have you worked in Accenture before full time only? So if you have, if you are ex-employee in the Accenture full time only, then click on no or yes. So and if you are Accenture before employee, then you are not eligible for this. Okay, you are not eligible to apply for the job role if you are currently working with Accenture. Have you appeared for the assessment or interview process for Accenture in the last 3 months? Do not consider current registration process. So if you have appeared for an assessment or any interview process for the selection in Accenture in the last 3 months, please do not apply for this, because you are not eligible. And if you are eligible to appear for this process once you complete 3 months. Then please select your nationality from the drop down. So you have to select your nationality from this drop down section, that is Indian. And after that examination details, so have you completed your final year or final semester exam including project viva? So if you have completed your final year, then yes, and if you have do not completed your final year, then click no. After that tentative final year or semester exam completion month. So if you have not completed your final year, you have to give your tentative final year or a final semester exam completion month from this drop down. So you have to click your July, it may be June 2022, it may be July 22, it may be August 22. So it depends on your college or your university. And after that expected final year result declaration month. So if you have not completed your final year, then you have to give your exam completion month, and after that you have to give your expected final semester result declaration month. So you can select in this drop down section, it may be February or August, September, October, or already completed. Okay, And after that you have to attach your resume or a CV, and the supported format for your resume is only document type or a PDF. It may be PDF or document. And then after you have to choose your passport size photo. You have to upload your passport size recently. It should be latest and not older than 2 months, and the maximum size for the passport is 3 MB and the maximum size for the resume is 1 MB. After that you have to upload your government photo ID card. Please select government photo ID card as a PAN card, and you have to upload that. After that, disability, is there any disability, you can choose here. Is there any disability, yes or no, do not wish to disclose. Okay. And after that there is a declaration and consent, so you have to click on yes, I agree. Then after that, yes, I agree. So you have to click on this checkbox. Okay. And after that you have to click on submit. Okay, so this is the step by step process for the registration. You can see that. So apply for this drive. It is a great opportunity for graduates and freshers. If any query related this, you can comment in the comment section. And 8, you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.